Hi friends, today we're going to take a look at more Penguin math, and I have pulled up some activities and also my number rack. Remember, you can get your number rack like this if you go through Clever and then you look for the one in the Math Learning Center apps. It's the number rack. Let's see. You're going to have some problems to solve on Seesaw that are very similar to these, so make sure you're listening and paying attention. The first one says, there are 9 penguins standing on the ice waiting to dive in, and 5 penguins already in the water. How many penguins in all? Okay, so when we're solving a word problem, it's really important. The first time we just read it, and we think about what are they asking us? So in this question, they're asking us how many penguins in all, or how many altogether. So now I'm going to read it again, and I can find out if there's more information that's helpful for me. There were 9 penguins standing on the ice waiting to dive in. Let's double check that. These penguins are standing on the ice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 penguins standing on the ice. And 5 penguins already in the water. Okay, so if there are 9 on the ice and 5 in the water, and it's asking us how many penguins in all, I need to figure out if I'm adding or if I'm subtracting to get my answer. If we want to know how many in all, a lot of times that gives us a clue. We're going to have to add to find out how many all together. I'm going to come over to my number rack, and I'm going to figure out what is 9 plus 5. I can quickly show 9 with one push, and I can show 5 with one push. I can count by going like this: 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I could also count this way: 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, or 10 plus 4 is 14. If I wanted to do the give and take strategy, I could give 1 to make this number more comfortable for me, to make it the number 10. And if I give 1 to the top, that means I have to take 1 from the bottom. So now I would be showing 10 plus 4. I know 10 plus 4 is going to give me the answer of 14, so I also know that 9 plus 5 is going to give me the answer of 14. All right, let's try our next one. We get my number rack set, we slide them back to the right, and we say all set, and you guys say, you bet. Good job. There are 8 penguins standing on the ice waiting to dive in, and some more penguins in the water. There are 12 penguins in all. How many are there in the water already? All right, that was my first time reading. I just read to understand. Now I'm going to read. I'm going to figure out what are they asking me. There are 8 penguins standing on the ice waiting to dive in. Here are those 8 penguins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I could count faster like this. 2, 4, 6, 8. And some more penguins in the water. This is showing me a question mark. I don't know how many penguins are in the water, but I do know that there are 12 penguins in all, and I want to find out how many are in the water already. So let's see if I can write an equation. Tell me again, how many penguins were on the ice? Good. Okay, 8 penguins on the ice plus some penguins in the water is going to tell me how many penguins we have in all. And they told us there are 12 penguins in all. So I want to figure out 8 plus some number is going to give me 12. Let's go over to my number rack. I'm going to show the number 8, and I can do that in one push. 8. Now I want to figure out how many more I have to add in order to get to 12. Let's count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many more did I add? I agree with you. I added 4 more. So I know how many are in the water already. I know that there are 4. If you look at the questions we've done so far, we put our answer inside the box. That was our unknown. Let's take a look at our third one. Our third one is our last one. Have to get my number rack set. All right. First time I read to understand. Second time I read for the numbers to see if I can help figure out how to write this equation. Let's listen. There are some penguins hiding behind the hill, waiting to run out and jump into the water. When they join the 5 penguins in the water, there will be 11 penguins in all. How many are hiding behind the hill? Okay, so my first time reading, I heard them ask a question. How many are hiding behind the hill? And in our picture, this question mark lets me know that's what I want to figure out. Let's read it again. This time I want to look for numbers to see if I can figure out where they go in my equation. See if you can help me. There are some penguins hiding behind the hill. Okay, we don't know how many there are, so we represent them with a box. They're waiting to run out and jump into the water. When they join the 5 penguins in the water, okay, so we know down here that there are 5, there will be 11 penguins in all. So the ones behind the hill plus the 5 in the water are going to give us a total of 11 penguins. Let's see if we can figure this out on our number rack. I don't know where to start, so I'm going to start with 5. If I have 5 penguins, how many more am I going to add to get to 11? What do you think? Talk to your shoulder. All right, let's see if I can do it. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if you agree with what I do. I have 5 penguins in the water. I want to have 11 penguins in all. So I know if I add 5 more, I'm going to get to 10. And then if I add 1 more, I'll get to 11. So I know I added a total of 6 penguins. I think over here my answer is going to be 6 because 6 plus 5 equals 11. I know that because 5 plus 5 is going to give me 10. That's a doubles fact. And I can use the doubles plus 1 fact to say 6 plus 5. Well, if 6 is 1 more than 5, I know my answer is going to be 1 more. 1 more than 10 is 11. On Seesaw, you're going to be able to use your number rack if you can pull it up on Clever. If not, you can draw a picture, and then you're going to have some equations to solve with penguins. Some of them are hiding in the water, some of them are hiding behind the hill, and you have to figure out how many there are.